Hey folks, and welcome to the channel. In our shop today is a 2015 Jeep Wrangler. We're going to install a 3-inch lift on the front of it. We also installed a 3-inch lift on the back, so make sure you check out that video too. Now before you get started at home, you're going to want to round up some metric wrenches, some metric sockets, a big pry bar, and a good sized mallet. So let's get started. With the wheels in the air and the axle hanging free, disconnect the sway bar legs. Support the axle with some jacks. Disconnect the lower shock mounts. Disconnect the brake line brackets from the frame. Lower the axle down and remove the coil springs. Make sure that you remove any lift spacers that may already be present. Slide the included lift spacer onto the upper spring mount, followed by the factory spring isolator. Reinstall the coil spring. It's a little tight, so we persuaded it with a pry bar and a tap from a mallet. Next, install the shock extenders. There's a small bolt included in the kit that will keep it snug on the bottom. Then install the larger bolt included with the kit into the factory shock mount. Torque it down to 72 foot-pounds. Install the shock into the upper portion of the extender and tighten the factory bolt down to 72 foot-pounds. Install the included brake line bracket relocator onto the factory mount on the frame. Then install the brake line bracket onto the relocator. Attach the sway bar brackets onto the axle and tighten their bolts to 66 foot-pounds. Finally, with the wheels on the ground, adjust that drag link to help center the steering wheel for the ride down to the alignment shop. So we got the 3-inch lift installed on the front of our Wrangler, and we're really happy how it turned out. We also did the rear, so make sure you check out that video as well. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like. If this is the first time you're checking out our channel, please hit subscribe. As always, if you have any questions at all about any of our products, please don't hesitate to give us a call. We've been at this a long time, so if you've got a question, we'll have an answer. Thanks for watching and have a great rest of your day.